Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, in all the years I've been forecasting around here, and it's been nearly 35, a very unique storm in the sense that it's not often that you get snowfall, steady snowfall, with temperatures this cold. Usually with some significant New England storms, snowstorms, temperatures at best are in the, say, mid and even upper 20s. I mean, we have snow coming down with, in some cases, the temperature close to 0. So it's a very dry, a kind of a fluffy snow. It accumulates very easily. It blows and drifts around very easily as well. A lot to cover. Let's first start with live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar and a very cold, windy snowstorm. A lot of blue on your TV set at home. There's nothing scattered about the snow here. It is widespread and at times heavy. Now, the darker blue indicates moderate to heavy snow, and we're well covered in that. So really the bulk of the accumulations will continue now through very early tomorrow morning. Everything should be shutting off, though, by late morning and certainly by tomorrow afternoon. So steady snow, we have that. The strong winds, we've had gusts up to 40 miles per hour along the south shore, and the extreme cold. I mean, wind chills are already running below 0. Wind chill advisory has been issued. So as we take a look at your Pinpoint ICAST, just kind of take the forecast a step further as far as kind of personalizing it for you and how it impacts you. Certainly the wind is a big factor here, gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour, some blowing and drifting. I mean, the kids are going to want to go out sledding and having fun in the snow tomorrow with these strong winds and bitter cold wind chills. The cold air is dangerous, and it's the kind of situation where you shovel your walkway or your driveway, an hour later the wind blows the snow back over, so it becomes a kind of a useless situation here as you try to clean off your driveway. Delays and cancellations, obviously, they've been in the hundreds, over 400. Many schools with cancellations tomorrow and social activities and businesses and things like that. You can go to our website at WPRI.com to learn more, but certainly having a big impact on canceling a lot of things tomorrow. And of course, the roads, especially some of these secondary roads. So if you're going to be traveling early tomorrow morning, be aware of some reduced visibility. Travel will be difficult, especially early in the morning with snowfall rates coming in at 1 inch per hour overnight. This will extend into early tomorrow morning. So if you have travel plans, maybe put them off until the afternoon hours when things will be a little bit better snow-wise. Downtown Providence, moderate snow continues. The temperature's only 9. It feels like 10 below when you throw in that wind north at 20 miles per hour. As we widen out the view, you can see the expansive shield of snow with not one, but really 2 areas of low pressure. 1 and 2 storm systems off the coastline, helping to throw back Atlantic moisture on top of the cold air that's already in place. Sub-zero temperatures right now in northern New England. As the storm pulls away, that's the kind of cold air that's headed our way overnight into tomorrow. Futurecast shows you the snow overnight through at least 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, but watch how fast it moves offshore. By 10 o'clock, it is over. In fact, by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're getting breaks of sunshine. Snow continues across the outer Cape. Clear skies tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is a bitter cold night. Probably one of the coldest nights we've seen, not for the winter season, but in the last several years. How much snow by Friday morning? 6 to 8 in our southern suburbs, 8 to 12 Kent and Providence County, well over 12 inches across eastern Massachusetts. And I feel comfortable that we'll at least verify on these low ends. So in other words, in the 6 to 8, easily getting 6. In this 8 to 12 zone, easily picking up 8. And then well over a foot of snow in this purple area across eastern Massachusetts. Some communities in eastern Mass, north of Boston, have had 20 inches of snow. Giving it the red light tomorrow morning. Not often that I give the red light when it comes to travel and weather in the morning, but it will be poor, windy and frigid with reduced visibility and blowing and drifting snow and bitter cold temperatures. You can see the actual air temperature only around 10, but you throw in the wind and the wind chills will be running below 0. But look at the improvement tomorrow afternoon. Skies will clear out, turning partly sunny, but not helping the temperatures at all. As the storm system wraps up tomorrow morning and intensifies south and east of Cape Cod, it looks like this overnight and very early tomorrow morning. Wind-blown snow. Even when the snow stops, it's still blowing on the ground. Bitter cold wind chills will continue. Better weather tomorrow afternoon in terms of snow, not in terms of temperature. Bitter cold and bright on Saturday. Below 0 in the morning, only 24 in the afternoon. Temperatures moderate big time Sunday and Monday. In fact, of all things, rain showers on Monday with the temperature coming in at 40. So it's really a little bit of everything, not just the snow, but the bitter cold and the strong wind. The worst of the storm now through about 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
The tough part is you clean up the driveway and the snow just comes right back in.
And the same thing with the road crews on the highways. They'll cleaned it off, and then the snow on the side of the road blows back over again.
All right, thanks, Tony. There is much more to